Hey, Red Salute House. I'm really glad I got to talk to you, and Red Salute to all my comrades here. I just have a question for you. How do we organize like the American retail and bring about like the class consciousness over there, like the likes of Walmart, the TJ Maxxes, and stuff like that? Thank you.
Can you repeat your question? How do we organize what?
The workers working in American retail, because it's like an organized sector. You don't need a lots of skill to get into, but it's
As
still
far
a
as the
workforce.
question of organizing any segment of the American working class, we are beginning with those that actually have a legacy institutionally with precedent of organizing the power of labor, which is the blue-collar working class. Once you have successes there, everything can spread to others with much more ease. So the strategic sectors of the economy, the ones that are involved in the physical reproduction of society at its most fundamental level, in the 21st century, that is the industrialized blue-collar working class. So that is the strategy. We're not going to start with retail. We're going to start with the traditional proletariat.